premeditated, right?
Right. Maybe he'll try to steal that other package with the other
And then
surprise in
she
it.
can write a thank you note to him in jail.
Right? Yeah, that's what needs to happen. Oh,
For helping us nab him.
Right? Not in the Christmas spirit, but it may be looking a little Christmassy here coming over the next few days. At least in Cleveland, a little bit of a different story for our southern counties. This is the system we have been watching, and just a little wobble in its track over the last 24 hours has really made a significant difference in the forecast. That's why yesterday it looked like we were mainly going to be dealing with snow, but a little bit of that warmer air is going to make its way north, and that's what's going to cause some trouble spots for areas south of Akron-Canton. So here's the impacts we're talking about here. Late tonight, we're going to see a little bit of a rain-snow mix south, so our southern counties, Holmes, even parts of Richland, Ashland, Tuscarawas, Carroll, and even some of our western counties as well could see a little bit of wintry mix and a little bit of freezing rain mixing in. That's when things could get dangerous, because that's when we see ice, we see the precipitation freeze on contact with the roadways. And then on top of that, a layer of light snow. That's what's going to cause those slick spots, especially for those roads farther south. Now, ODOT's already out getting ready, pre-treating a lot of those main interstates, but those side streets could become issues, especially for the morning commute. The rest of us will be dealing with snow through the morning commute, but again, those higher impacts are really going to be south of the lakeshore. Let's walk you through the rest of the day here into your tomorrow on Precision Future View. Through 4 o'clock, we're still dry and quiet, even a little bit of sunshine out east. Not too bad after some of the clouds we've been dealing with over the past couple of days. You can see some of that precip starting to make its way into Tuscarawas and Carroll counties. And again, this is going to be a mixed bag because temperatures are still above freezing. That winter weather advisory is in place for those southern counties starting late afternoon. The more widespread snow arrives just after dinner time, so most of the evening commute today, we shouldn't see too many problems. Aside from maybe some on 76 in Tuscarawas and again, southern Holmes County, some of those side streets could start getting a little slick early on. But overnight is when we'll start to see more widespread impacts. You can see the pinks, the greens, the mixtures there. Again, south of Akron-Canton, that's what's eventually going to turn back into snow, and that's what's going to create those layers that could become dangerous and icy on the roads. The rest of us, this is 8 a.m. Most of this will be light, but we could see some pockets of heavier snow that could cause visibility issues. Again, temperatures below freezing, even some areas of light snow, we tend to see problems with the commute. So tomorrow morning, definitely going to want to leave yourself extra time. Through Tuesday afternoon, though, things dry out before we see the return of lake effect snow for your Wednesday. So in terms of snowfall totals, how much are we talking through Tuesday? The higher amounts are going to be south of the Cleveland area. So 1 to 3 inches expected really along that 71 corridor and south of the Turnpike. The rest of us along the lakeshore could pick up an inch or inch and a half or so, and that's going to be over a 24 to 36 hour period. So again, lower impacts along the lakeshore, higher impacts the farther south you go, especially because we will see some ice mixed in there as well. So that's really going to be the big story heading into the overnight and tomorrow morning, that commute being a little bit dicey. We'll bring back lake effect snow for your Wednesday. That's where the lakeshore, especially the snow belt, could pick up a few more inches. And then those temperatures are bitter cold, mid-20s for highs, wake up temperatures in the teens on Thursday. But the weekend doesn't look that bad. Last weekend before Christmas, 40s, a little sunshine. So that's some good news, especially if you have some last minute running around to do.